For those who may not know, JoeMax Telecom, we have 20 years delivering engineering, design, permitting, maintenance for fiber infrastructure, providing turnkey OSP and ISP solutions across the Northeast.
What sets JoeMax apart as the best in-class service provider in the telecom engineering space is the combination of our technical depth, responsiveness, and our client-centric execution.
We have a deep, talented employee base that allows us to meet our customers' ever-expanding needs.
What excites me most about the future as JoeMax becomes part of Pearce is that JoeMax has always ran a lean and mean company. We are known as the company that executed things rapidly and properly. We grew over the years at a good pace, but now that we're part of Pearce, we have a tremendous in-house support team behind us, and we can scale and grow the business. We can now handle much larger projects being part of the Pearce team.
The capabilities we're most excited to bring to the Pearce family is end-to-end network engineering, from route design to permitting to maintenance, that aligned with Pearce's scale and resources. We love the way our future looks.